Hi besties, I'm okay now because I fainted. Right in the spot I fainted. So I said I need to come back when I faint again. Let's put this in there. It hurts. There's blood in it. So I can't remember things that much. And my voice finally came back, and it's actually I have a cancer that is little is critical A. So I don't actually have my voice yet. My voice was like hyper, but now it's not. Like I was an emo now. It's like this is like I don't know what's this. Guys, can you please subscribe? What is this? Because I have lost memories. Lily! Aiden? Aiden? Are you okay? They're both English, but I'm Filipino. Nangyari sa'yo? Aiden? Wow! Nangyari ulit! Aiden, di pa ikaw nagpakilala. Aiden, magtatambay pa tayo eh. Aiden!